In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in CapCut. So go ahead and open your CapCut and go ahead and choose the project that you want to speed up. So what we can do here is that you can speed up the entire clip, or you can trim out certain pieces and really be able to speed up sections that you just want to speed up. So what we can do here is I'm just going to pick a moment here. We will select it and we'll hit split, and then we'll kind of go and we will hit split one more time. I'll just pick a spot here. And then what you can do is, now that you have your section chosen, what we can do is go ahead and hit speed at the very bottom, and we're going to hit normal, and then we're just going to move this ticker up as far as we want, and then we're going to hit the check mark. So now that section of video is going to be moving so much faster. So if I were to hit play here,
doing tools,
that is moving so much faster, and it didn't affect the other videos or anything that you would have in your CapCut project. So it's really easy to do, very simple, and that is how you would speed up a video in CapCut. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.